Ta-da! Today we have a very strong and powerful mini gadget for you. And we have something interesting for creators as well. But that's not all. Stick around till the end and you will find some very interesting and useful gadgets today. All the links are in the description below, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. MAGMUG Magnetic Gym. Stop putting your things on the dirty gym floor. Use the MAGMUG Magnetic Gym Caddy. It lets you easily carry your stuff around the gym and magnetically attach it to metal equipment. Using a special magnetic mechanism built around a custom 3-piece hinge, MAGMUG can attach to flat and curved surfaces. Moreover, its ergonomic handle can also double as a hook to hold your towel or headphones. Your pockets hold only so much, and there's nowhere good to set your things at the gym. But MAGMUG will fit your water bottle, cell phone, earbud case, protein bar, keys, cash or credit cards, and more. Furthermore, a cutout in its phone compartment even makes it easy to take selfies with it. No tripod needed. Overall, more than just a gym caddy, MAGMUG is great for use anywhere. Delta 7 KEARA High-Quality Folding Blade. Give yourself the epitome of elegance with the KEARA, a high-quality folding blade by Delta 7. With a sleek modern design by a young entrepreneur, this blade has a slim design and buttery smooth action. You will notice the pride in the design, the weight and the balance, and the slightly tail-heavy construction. In fact, the tailpiece extends deep into the frame for additional strength. Altogether, this lets the blade naturally fit in your hand and gives you a strict sense of control. Crafted with carefully machined aluminum scales that are soft to the touch, it features a durable tanto profile. Moreover, it has a quick open flipper that releases a 3.75-inch blade. The extended flipper provides a positive flip, which doubles as a finger guard. Altogether, it measures 9.32 inches long. The blade is just 4 millimeters thin, and the top jimping is subtle but provides an astonishing amount of grip. Cheerble KiTiDOT Amusing Collar Wearable Cat Toy. Give your cat a smart companion for hunting in the form of the Cheerble KiTiDOT Amusing Collar Wearable Cat Toy. This smart cat toy lets your cat run after an elusive red dot. In return, they can easily satisfy their need for hunting things all the time. In fact, the toy does this entire process in a safer way because your cat doesn't actually kill anything. Additionally, it's a toy that uses a low-intensity laser and also includes auto power-off to ensure maximum safety. The design is tailored for cats and kittens and comes with 3 beam modes to choose from. You can also unlock different hunting plays by adjusting how far it projects ahead of your cat. Overall, this is definitely a non-toxic smart device that your cat will love to wear. HOTO Multifunctional Rotary Toolkit. Pack your toolkit with a powerful gadget, the HOTO Multifunctional Rotary Toolkit. In fact, this 35-in-1 device has a super long battery life of up to 50 minutes. That's a result of the 2000 mAh high-capacity lithium battery. Moreover, it offers 5 speed adjustments from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, so you can use it for different needs and materials. Use it for everything from carving and engraving to grinding and polishing. Satechi USB-C Mobile Pro Hub SD. Take your iPad M1's performance to new heights with the Satechi USB-C Mobile Pro Hub SD. In fact, this hub comes with a USB-C PD up to 60 watts, a 4K HDMI display of up to 60 Hz, and more. Additional features include a USB 3.0 port for data transfer at up to 5 gigabits per second, micro SD and SD card readers, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Most importantly, you get all of this over a single USB-C connection. The 6-in-1 design supports the newest iPads. Razer Basilisk V3 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. Push the boundaries of gaming with the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. This mouse comes with a hyper-scroll tilt wheel that free spins until you stop it. Additionally, you can also switch to the tactile mode for more precision and satisfying feedback. In fact, the Razer Synapse will scroll the wheel automatically, shifting from tactile to the free spin mode when you scroll faster. There's also the 13-zone chroma lighting with full underflow. You can customize each zone with more than 16.8 million colors and countless lighting effects. HyperJuice 245-watt GAN desktop charger. Give yourself and your devices the power you deserve with the HyperJuice 245-watt GAN desktop charger. Boasting 4 USB-C charging ports with 100 watts of power, it can provide enough juice for 2 M1 MacBooks 16 inches, 1 iPhone 13, and 1 iPad Pro 11-inch. That's all at the same time. Yep, it can charge up to 4 devices at once. Moreover, using gallium nitride GaN semiconductor technology, it may be small, but it's mighty. It charges quickly and efficiently, and much better than silicon-based chargers. With a slim design, it measures only 4.13 inches long, 3.93 inches wide, and 1.25 inches high. Noordung retro-style carbon fiber e-bike. Ride luxuriously in a whole new way with the Noordung retro-style carbon fiber e-bike. This e-bike not only flaunts a retro frame, but also comes with a boombox and air pollution sensors. Drawing its inspiration from the cafe racer style, this e-bike is a new take on the urban e-bike. This cruiser bike also includes a stunning wheeler that makes it look amazing as an overall design. It has a carbon fiber frame, a stem and bar set that measures 680 millimeters, 27.5-inch wheels with 5 spokes, Pirelli Angel GT urban tires, a 10-speed microshift advent transmission, and a high-end Magura braking system. Logitech MX Mechanical Mini wireless keyboard. Take your typing experience one step further on your Apple computer with the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini wireless keyboard for Mac. This keyboard is seamlessly compatible with non-Windows setups and is available in 2 amazing colors. These would be the space gray and pale gray options. Additionally, you can also customize shortcuts and accelerate creativity with Logi Options Plus. One of the key features of this keyboard is the tactile, quiet, low-profile switches. These make the typing experience quieter and more reliable. Another feature worth exploring is smart backlighting. BioLite HeadLamp 325 Ultra Lightweight USB. Enjoy the comfort of wearing a super lightweight headlamp during those camping days with the BioLite HeadLamp 325 Ultra Lightweight USB headlamp. With bright illumination, excellent fit, versatile modes, and USB rechargeability, this headlamp will not use those disposable batteries anymore. Additionally, the smooth backband will give you additional comfort. In fact, the power source of this headlight is located in the front to give you extra comfort. This ultra lightweight headband is ideal for anyone looking to kick back or read with their light. COR Pump one-click inflator. Keep your kit lightweight when you head out on the water or in the air when you have the COR Pump one-click inflator. Designed for kite surfers and paddleboard riders, this gadget even inflates car tires. Crafted with groundbreaking technology, it boasts up to 15 psi from a compact size that weighs only 350 grams. Moreover, with sophisticated air inflation, pressure processing, and hardware, it's always at the ready when you need it. Yale Assure Lock 2 Smart Door Lock. Enter our home with ease when you have a lock from the Yale Assure Lock 2 Smart Door Lock collection. Altogether, it includes 4 models that offer Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity options. Offering a stylish look that blends security with aesthetics, the series fits sleekly on your door. Choose from the keypad deadbolt, touchscreen deadbolt, key-free keypad deadbolt, and key-free touchscreen deadbolt. Programmed using the Yale Access app, these locks work out of the box using Bluetooth and Apple HomeKit technology. Smaller than their predecessors, these locks have a modern style with domed surfaces and tapered angles. Medicoco LED Nasal Therapy Device. Improve your allergic rhinitis symptoms when you have the Medicoco LED Nasal Therapy Device. Designed to improve your nasal care, it lights up and heats up your nasal cavity. Using a dual wavelength, low-level irradiator, it actually treats the allergic symptoms in your nose. Incorporating both red and near-infrared lights, it alleviates your allergy symptoms. Additionally, its built-in heater actually promotes blood flow near your nasal cavity, so altogether it allows you to take a deep breath anytime. Hollyland Lark M1. Hollyland Lark M1 features a cutting-edge DSP noise cancellation chip, which provides effective environmental noise cancellation and makes your video voice clear and clean. Lark M1 wireless lavalier microphone weighs only 0.42 ounces or 11.8 grams, lighter than 3 pieces of A4 paper. None feeling wear experience, providing 8 hours of continuous working time when fully charged. Each TX and RX have a USB-C port for direct charging while working at the same time. Perfect for outside interview, video, podcast, vlog, and never need to worry about the battery life. 656-foot long-range wireless transmission range. Lark M1 lapel wireless microphone supports up to 650-foot stable and reliable and high-fidelity audio receiving, working distance, and open space. Make you easily handle complex environments. Wuben X2 EDC flashlight. X2 has a dedicated design that breaks the appearance of traditional flashlights, bringing in uniqueness, functionality, and durability. Without a doubt, it's the best EDC flashlight that has the widest utility in the smallest form. X2 is the brightest pocket flashlight for its size that puts out a whopping 2500 lumens. It makes you feel like you have a mini sun in your hand, and you'll never be caught in the dark even at the most silent night. In spite of the small size, the brightness of X2 is comparable to a tactical flashlight or a handheld spotlight. It improves the visibility of your surroundings to a new level, no matter whether you're hunting, hiking, camping, or exploring.